Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to get Meta official API. Okay, so if you want to get your Meta official API, just watch this video step by step. I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to do it. Right, I've laid down the step-by-step guide we are going to use, so make sure you watch till the end so you're not going to make any mistake. Okay, so if you don't watch till the end you might make a mistake. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'll be showing you is how to get access to your Meta's official API through Meta developers. Okay, through Meta for developers. Okay, right. Yeah, basically that's it. So what you need to do, right, is to come over to the developers .facebook.com. If you don't know how to come there, it's simple. You just open a tab on your browser and click on developer, or type rather developers .facebook.com. Super simple. Okay, click on it and then we'll have access to the site. So you can actually from here come to the top right and click on my apps if you already have an account. If you don't, you should see something like get started at the top, but it's actually very easy to use this exact interface. I'm going to click on my apps right here. Super simple. So what are we going to do next? Right now we're here. What's going to happen next is that we are going to log in, right? So we are going to log in, use your Facebook account to log in, right? If you're not already logged in, okay, then you will need to create a developers app. Okay, you need to create a developers app, right? If you want to get an official API. So how do we do that? Let me bring this right here. I already have an existing app named testing, right? I have an existing app, but then if you don't have one, right, you just click on create app. It's super simple. Okay, so you just click on create app and then complete the app setup, right? Super simple. So you put in your app name, details and all of that, and then let me just put in super test. All right, so they will just allow me to go to the next one. I just want to go to the next one. So right here you can see you have to select the use, right? The use of this app, add use cases. Right here you have create and manage ads with marketing API. It says create and manage app ads with Meta Ads Manager. Okay, we also have access thread API. We also have launch and instant game on Facebook and Messenger, right? We also have authenticate and request data from users with Facebook login and all of that. Then you have also connect with customers through WhatsApp. So you can select any one that best suits your needs. Okay, select the one that best suits your needs. Yeah, basically you can select more than one as well, which is a good thing, but then obviously some of these other ones will not be available. You can select more than one, which is actually a very good thing, and then you go to next, and then from there, I'm not going to create the app. I just want to show you. Then which business portfolio do you want to connect with? So you have to have a business portfolio. If you don't have, you can create it right here. It says here create a business portfolio, right? So basically the rest is actually easy. So it's super simple. Okay, you honestly cannot miss it. So it's actually very simple. So this is basically how to do just that. All right, so this is actually how to create the app, right? It's very simple. So once you're done, right, they should give you the app IP, right? But then once you've created the app, the next thing you want to do is that to be able to access the official Meta API. So inside of the app dashboard, you can have access to APIs like Graph API, Marketing API, and then Instagram API. You have access to all of these. So what do we do next? We open Graph API Explorer. How do you find it? Let me answer that question. If you come to tools, you come to where it says Graph API Explorer. Okay, Graph API Explorer. Then we generate a token from there. I'm going to walk you through how to generate the token. So under Graph API Explorer, as you can see right here, you have on the right hand side generate token, but you need to also select the exact app that you want to generate the token for, user or page. Keep it at get token, and then permissions right here, leave it at add permissions. Add the permission, right? Once you're done, right, you come here and generate right here. Okay, super simple. Come here and click on generate access token, and then you can actually try it out by clicking on submit. If I click on submit, you see it's actually blurry right here. It says there click get access token to finish updating your token. So you have to generate it first. Okay, all right. So once you click on submit, like I said, if data appears, then API access is working. Okay, once you click on submit right here, right, if it once you click on submit right there, right, if the data appears, then it means that the API access is working. Now there are a few important clarifications, that I'm going to make in this video. Right, two important clarifications. One is that Meta has multiple APIs, right? So Meta offers different APIs depending on what you want to build, right? Like ads, Instagram integration, and then analysis, right? All these things. So they have different APIs for them, right? That's one thing I need to also let you know. At the same time, some APIs require approval. What does that mean in practice? What that means is that some official Meta APIs require business verifications or app review before full access is granted. This is very, very important to know. All right. So yeah, that's actually it. I believe I've showed you exactly how to get to your Meta API, official API. So yeah, do well to like this video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We make videos like this to help you out. So subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.